Hi class, so our next lesson will be on maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, so yung maximum power transfer theorem or MPT theorem, no? MPT theorem. Ang MPT theorem ay sinasabi niya lang kung if you have a network, such as this, and that network is supplying a load, RL, supplying power to that load, RL, maximum power transfer theorem dictates kung ano ba dapat yung value ng RL such that makukuha natin si Pmax. Pmax na delivered to the load. Okay? Okay. So, we've talked about TEC or the Thevenin equivalent circuit already. And we know that for any network, pwede natin siyang ma-simplify into a Thevenin voltage, VTH, series with its Thevenin resistance, RTH. Okay, so kumbaga ito yung network and then it is connected to a load, RL. Okay? So again, MPT only dictates ano or what should the resistance of the load be such that magiging maximum yung power na nakukuha ni RL. Okay? So if this is the setup, let's of course you will have a current here. So para makuha natin yung current na yan, that will be computed as VTH over RTH plus RL. Okay? Okay, and since ang gusto natin makuha is yung power, so P, ang P doon sa ating power doon sa ating load. Okay, that will be I squared, kung ano man tong I na yan na dumadaloy, times RL. Okay, so ang inaalam natin is what should be RL such that P is maximum. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo kasi, well, sir, para makuha mo si maximum P, edi taasan mo lang si RL. Tama ba yun? Go. Ayun. Kung tinataasan natin si RL, well, tama naman, tataas si P. But, kung titignan natin dito sa sa unang equation natin, kapag tumataas si RL, bukod sa tumataas si P, bumababa naman ngayon si current. Tama? Kasi the higher the denominator, the larger the denominator, the lower the value. Tama ba? And since pag tinaas natin si RL, tumaas nga si P, pero bumaba naman si I, so itong I dito, bababa din. Tama? So itong P, bababa din. So ano ba talaga ang nangyayari kapag tinaasan natin si RL? Tataas ba si P or bababa? Okay, so actually, pwede nating pakita ko sa inyo yung actual graph. So, if this is a graph of my RL and my P, the power, ang kalalabasan niya is something like this. Habang tinataasan natin si RL, tumataas si P, up until only such time na bababa na ulit siya. Okay? Sorry, ang pangit ng drawing ko. So, para lang siyang ganyan, guys. Curve. Okay? So, yes, kapag tinasa natin si RL, tataas din si P, but only up until an optimized value of RL. Okay? Na maaabot natin si Pmax. So, ang gusto natin malaman is what should this value of resistance ng load be para makuha natin si Pmax? Okay, so siguro ko naman or sana naman tandaan nyo pang inyong calculus, optimization. So kunin natin yung function ni P. That's P is equal to, well, ito na yon guys, pero let's input this I here. So we will get VTH over RTH plus RL quantity squared, ito yung ating I, times RL. Okay? So, gusto natin, ito na yung ating function of P in terms of VTH, RTH, and RL. But, kung mapapansin natin, ang nagbabago dito is yung RL. Yung RTH ng network and yung VTH ng network, more or less, constant na siya given a constant network. So, yung kanyang Thevenin voltage at yung kanyang Thevenin resistance ay most likely constant na. Okay? So, yung nagbabago na lang dito is yung RL. Okay? So, we have a function of RL that is P. And kapag ganito, paano natin kukunin yung maximum or, paano natin to i-optimize? Okay? So, remember in your calculus, in order for us to do that, kailangan natin kunin yung tangent line nitong function na to. Okay? So, the tangent line is somewhere here. Okay? And how do we get the tangent line? Well, we get the derivative of the function P. So, kailangan natin kunin si derivative ni P with respect to changing RL. Okay? And para makuha natin, kasi kapag kinuha natin ito na derivative ng P with respect to RL, we know that ang makuha natin is, well, it's another function. Tama? So, depende sa kung anong input mo na RL. For example, kunin mo yung derivative at RL equals RL1. Okay? So, ang makuha natin dyan na derivative is yung tangent sa point na yan. Pero, kung gusto natin makuha yung maximum, kung gusto natin makuha yung maximum, then we are sure na yung maximum is yung value ng derivative na pahiga. Or where this is equal to zero slope, nakahiga, or equal to 0. Kasi ito, may positive slope to. Kapag nandito ka naman sa part na to, negative slope na yan. Pag nandito ka sa tuktok, that is 0 slope. Okay? So, in order for us to optimize or maximize, we need to get the derivative of P with respect to RL and equate it to 0. Okay? So, I hope naaalala pa natin yan. So, ayan, since we have a function, we have the function P, pwede natin tong kunan ng derivative, So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is kunin natin yung derivative nito with respect, kunin ang derivative ng P with respect to RL and equate that to 0. Okay? So, let me just, let me simplify ko lang. So, P is equal to VTH quantity squared, and yung sa baba, that is RTH squared plus 2 RTH RL plus RL squared times RL. Okay? But this RL, pwede natin tong gawing, so instead na naka-multiply sa RL, pwede na lang natin siyang i-divide sa reciprocal niya. So, it looks something like this. VTH squared, ito ay RTH squared plus 2 RTH RL plus RL squared all over RL. Okay? So, same lang po yun, guys. So, dito sa denominator part, may mga terms tayo na pwedeng makancel, So, simplifying further, I will get VTH quantity squared over RTH squared over RL plus 2 RTH, cancel na yung RL na to, plus RL, cancel din yung RL at RL squared. Okay? So, from here, hindi pa natin kinukuha yung derivative, ano? So, from here, pwede natin kunin yung derivative ng P with respect to RL and equate that to 0. Or, another option is, pwede naman, ang kunin na lang natin is yung derivative nung denominator with respect, and equate it to 0. So, bakit? Kasi, kapag maximum yung ating P, we know that the denominator is minimum. Okay? So, pwede na rin natin i-apply yung derivative dito lang sa denominator. Okay? So, pwede natin kunin yung derivative nung RTH squared over RL plus 2 RTH plus RL with respect to RL. Okay? So, let's do it. So, ang derivative ng RT, isa-isahin natin per term. So, yung RTH squared, since with respect to RL yung kinukuha natin, that will be a constant, ano? So, teka nga, i-rewrite ko to, para mas madali nyo makita yung derivative. So, instead na over RL, ang gawin ko na lang is times RL raised to negative 1. Okay? So, ayan. Medyo mas kita nyo na. So, ang derivative nito, guys, is negative 1. So, ito ay itong negative 1. Or negative na lang. RTH squared. Then, times RL raised to negative 2. Or over RL squared. Okay? Plus, ang 2RTH, since that's a constant, with respect to RL, so, plus 0 lang yan. And yung RL, sorry, mukhang RC. So, yung RL, ang derivative ng RL is just 1. And, we should equate this to 0. Okay? So, ayan. Ilagay natin yung 1 sa kabilang side, or rather, ilagay na lang natin tong negative term sa kabilang side pala, huwag na yung 1. So, ang kalalabasan is RTH squared over RL squared is equal to 1. Or RTH squared is equal to RL squared. Or RL is just equal to plus or minus RTH. Okay? So, sabi, para makuha natin si Pmax, our RL should be equal to RTH. Okay? Yun lang yan, guys. Yun lang yung gustong sabihin ni maximum power transfer theorem. Na if you have a network connected to a load RL, para ma-maximize natin yung power na kinukuha ng load, we should equate that RL to the Thevenin resistance of that network. Dapat equal sila. Okay? And we have proven that with this. Okay? Okay, so meron na tayong value for RL, or alam na natin kung ano ba dapat yung maging value ng RL in order for us to get the Pmax. Ngayon, kunin naman natin si actual na Pmax. Okay, so our Pmax is equal to, ano nga ulit yung equation natin for P? Punta tayo dito. Ayan. Ito, dito tayo babalik, P is equal to VTH over RTH plus RL. Sorry. Huwag mo muna max natin yan, I-rewrite ko lang to. Squared times RL. Okay, ito yung equation natin kanina. So, para makuha natin si Pmax, we know that RTH should be equal to RL. If that is the case, then this is VTH over RTH 2 RTH, no? 2 RTH quantity squared times RTH. Okay, so this is equal to VTH squared. Baba ko ng konti. So that is VTH squared over 4 RTH squared times RTH, or this will cancel. So overall, to get the P maximum, that is just VTH squared over 4 RTH. Okay? And this is your P max. Okay, so given a network, para makuha natin yung maximum power na pwede natin makuha sa network na yon, una, your load should have a resistance value that is equal to the Thevenin equivalent resistance of the said network, and at the same time, to get the Pmax, all you need is this, VTH, or the Thevenin voltage squared all over 4 times the RTH. And yes guys, lumalabas to sa board exam. Actually, isa to sa mga mali ko sa board exam kasi I forgot, no? Kalimutan ko ito. Ewan ko, na mental block ako. Pero legit, lumabas to sa board exam and mali ako dito. Okay, so that will be all for this lesson, no? Maggawa tayo ng example sa next video. Thank you.